In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a Getresponse email marketing campaign. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to go from a blank account to sending out a complete newsletter in just a few minutes, using the minimum number of steps. First, make sure you're logged into your Getresponse account and you're on the main dashboard. This is your home base, where you can access all of the tools. From here, look for the menu option labeled Tools. Click on that and then choose Email Marketing. This is where all of your newsletters and email campaigns will live. Once you're on the email marketing page, you'll see a button that says Create Newsletter. Go ahead and click that. This is the starting point for building a new email you're going to send to your audience. Next, Getresponse will ask how you want to create this newsletter. You'll see a few different options, but for the simplest path, choose the option called By Myself. This gives you direct control over your content and layout without any extra automation steps getting in the way. Now it's time to add the basic details of your campaign. Start with your subject line. This is what your subscribers will see in their inbox, so make it clear, specific, and aligned with the content of your email. Once you've typed in your subject line, click on Add Recipients. Here, you'll pick the contact list or lists you want to send this email to. Select your list carefully and confirm your choice so you know the right people will receive your message. With your audience selected, you're ready to design the actual email. Click Design Message. You'll see a gallery of templates you can use. These templates are pre-built layouts that make your email look professional, even if you're not a designer. Hover over any template that matches the style you want, and then click Select to open it in the editor. Inside the editor, you can customize text, images, colors, and buttons. Take a moment to replace the placeholder content with your own copy and visuals. When you're happy with how everything looks, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Next. This will save your design and take you to the final confirmation screen. On this last page, double-check your subject line, recipients, and design. When everything looks correct and you're ready to go live, scroll down and click Send Immediately. Getresponse will start sending your newsletter right away to the list you selected. And that's it. You've just set up and launched a Getresponse email marketing campaign using the fastest, most straightforward process.